Starting around 23 October 2023, STEPN in every practical sense is exchanging at 15 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in all things considered, most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is genuinely critical. GMT generally has a fundamentally complete market cap of $183,542,011, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,174,964, incredibly. This in a real sense makes STEPN, GMT, genuinely positioning at 136 in the cryptographic money market, which generally is very critical. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023, what will STEPN certainly be somewhat worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is STEPN a genuinely wise venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will GMT cost truly outperform its record-breaking high in an extremely significant manner? These basically are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT'(S) future, which basically is genuinely critical. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2023 as per the STEPN estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the GMT cost truly is supposed to for the most part cross an especially normal value level of 25 cents, the normal sort of least value worth of STEPN, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to in every practical sense, be 24 cents in a really significant way. Besides, GMT can generally arrive at a sort of greatest value level of 26 cents in a quite huge manner. GMT value gauge August 2023, concerning August 2023, STEPN sort of is supposed to especially arrive at a very least value worth of 20 cents. Extremely further appearance how in the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023, what will STEPN in a real sense be in every way that really matters, worth in 2023 in an exceptionally huge way? The GMT cost could basically arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 22 cents, with the very normal cost around 22 cents in a really significant manner. GMT value figure September 2023, with respect to September 2023, STEPN essentially is supposed to arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of 21 cents in a for the most part significant manner. The GMT cost could explicitly arrive at a greatest cost of 23 cents, with the genuinely normal cost around 22 cents, which certainly is very huge. GMT value figure October 2023. The STEPN estimate for October 2023 expects that the GMT may sort of arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of 24 cents, with an especially least cost of around 22 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Discussing the truly normal value GMT can in a real sense stretch around 23 cents for October, or so they fundamentally thought. STEPN, GMT, value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of STEPN sort of is most certainly anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of 24 cents, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of 25 cents and a by and large least of 23 cents. Which for the most part is genuinely critical. STEPN value figure December 2023, the essentially normal cost of STEPN, GMT, could fundamentally go to 25 cents toward the finish of December 2023 in a really significant manner. GMT could be exchanging around a very greatest worth of 26 cents, with the especially least expected cost of 24 cents, which essentially is very huge. STEPN by and large past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been generally diminished by 0.91% in its sort of current worth, showing the way that the GMT cost could arrive at an especially greatest cost of 23 cents, with the all things considered, normal cost around 22 cents, which sort of is genuinely critical. Assuming we in a real sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. STEPN fundamentally is confronting an essentially tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which truly is very critical. The GMT truly is down to nearly 3.37% in the kind of most recent 7 days, fundamentally further appearance how GMT value conjecture September 2023. With respect to September 2023, STPN certainly is supposed to, in a real sense, arrive at an especially least value worth of 21 cents. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for past commonly couple of days. The coin could generally have soared areas of strength for of in any case, we don't in a real sense feel that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment. Exhibiting that stepn value conjecture December 2023, the normal cost of STPN, GMT, could in a real sense go to 25 cents toward the finish of December 2023 in a huge manner. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT generally diminished by 61.690%, disposing of an incredible truly normal amount of 25 cents from its sort of current worth, showing how in the event that we certainly look at the very current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, which essentially is very huge. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin most certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be a decent certainly purchase an open door for certainly fast interest in a sort of enormous manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 73.22%, and the cost in every practical sense, circled from a sort of least in every way that really matters, normal cost of 51 cents to especially most extreme essentially average cost of 59 cents in the precise beyond 90 days, which truly shows that GMT value estimate August 2023, concerning August 2023. STPN fundamentally is supposed to especially arrive at a sort of least value worth of 20 cents, especially further appearance how assuming that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the STPN cost forecast finish of 2023, what will STPN sort of be truly worth in 2023? STPN by and large is somewhere near 40.03% with the kind of greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of the coin fundamentally was around 29 cents and the extremely least typical cost of for the most part was around 28 cents in every way that really matters, recent months. Which explicitly shows that this for the most part makes STPN, GMT, essentially positioning at 136 in the digital currency market by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. STPN value gauge 2023 facts. What will essentially be STPN exceptionally worth in 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The GMT cost certainly is gauged to arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 26 cents, with exceptionally least cost of 24 cents toward the finish of 2023, so inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT explicitly diminished by 61.690%. Wiping out an astounding genuinely normal amount of 25 cents from its most certainly current worth. Exhibiting how assuming we generally look at the by and large current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Does STPN sort of have a future, which is very huge? As far as value, STPN explicitly has a